guy, not so much really the X and O's, but really just try to be just encouraging and positivity as much as I can. And I really felt, that when you play like that, even when you're down, even when you're struggling, if you just try to look for that gratitude, it really show up. And it's not going to guarantee a win, but it's going to guarantee you're going to have, one of the most memorable times of your life. And so I'm just grateful, that God really worked today, and God worked through just EJ, and EJ just looking me in my eyes after he went out and said, hey, just go out there, have fun. And so it was just so many moments that just really just saw, just over the past couple of games, we're really improving. But for me, like what we said when we were losing, we have to, stay in the moment. When we lose, we have to feel everything that night, but tomorrow it's a new day. So it's the same thing here. We told everybody we won, but hanggang ngayon lang yan, hanggang itong gabi lang yan. So bukas mawawala ito, focus on the next game. But we have to, just like you can't get too caught up in a loss, you can't get too caught up in a win, but you have to enjoy it. You have to enjoy both when it comes to you.
Thanks, Michael. Here the game, Boris Malasigan, 17 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists. 6 for 13 shooting, including 3 for 4 from the 3-point area. Of course, a big game for you, especially in the second half. Mike pretty much started the comeback. You, Earl, even Jacob, you were able to help and pour in the points in the fourth. So, ano naman sabi sa naging effort mo and ng team, lalo na fourth?
Yung first quarter, parang naging struggle din ako ng first quarter. Ang dami kong open shot na hindi nag-shoot. And then, sabi naman sa akin ni Coach na tuloy ko lang yung ginagawa ko kasi para din makatulong ako sa team. And then, nung second half, bumawi ako na sabi ko sa sarili ko na ito na yun. Kasi parang nung nawala si EJ, parang bumagsak din yung yung kumpiyansa ko And then, sabi ko sa sarili ko na tutulungan ko yung team ko and then gagawin ko yung lahat ko para makuha